Hello, I would like to discuss about plastics in aeronautic industry. So, plastic as a major component in the aerospace industry since 1970. They reduce the weight of the aircraft and improve fuel efficiency. For military aircraft, they help extend flying range and escape from the radar detection. Components for propulsion and navigational functions, structural elements, and interior components are all made out of plastic. Plastic has several advantages which make them an ideal choice in the aeronautic industry. So there are five types of plastic used in aeronautic industry. So the first one is thermosetting polyimide. It is used in insulators and electrical spaces for threaded nuts and other components. It has high resistance to chemicals and exhibits excellent mechanical properties. The biggest advantage that thermosetting polyimide offer is the higher ductility than ceramics and lower weight than metals. So the second one is polyether ketone. Its applications can be found in pump gears and valve seats. It can withstand large doses of radiation and has great resistance to hydrolysis. This means it can be exposed to high pressures of water and steam without degrading. It also exhibits great thermal and mechanical properties that can include low flammability. Okay, so the third one is polychlorotrifluoroethylene, which known as PCTFE. So the PCTFE is chemical and fire resistance and has low moisture absorption. It can tolerate extreme temperatures ranging from -400 Farad to +400 Farad and exhibits great electrical properties. This makes it's a best choice for aerospace applications. So the fourth one is polytetrafluoroethylene, which known as PTFE. PTFE is used for insulating cables and many wires in an aircraft. It is a fluorocarbon polymer and electrical insulator. It has high tear resistance, low flammability, and can retain its properties in aerospace conditions. So the fifth one is polyamide imide, which is known as PAI. PAI is more preferred compared to metal components in the aerospace industry. The reason is it is resistant to most of chemicals and radiation at room temperature, and it's also flame retardant. It has superior mechanical strength. So after this, we going to discuss about the advantages of plastic usage in aeronautic industry. So the first one is plastics are lightweight. Plastics are largely used in luggage compartments and internal wall panels such as acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Plastics have lower density compared to metals as well as at same time have high mechanical strength so that the aircraft can easily overcome the weight and can be lifted faster. The aircraft will be consumed the less fuel compared to metal. The second one is plastics are resistant to corrosion. Plastics are largely used in ventilation ducting and seals such as polycarbonate plastics and acrylate. Polycarbonate polymers can withstand high temperature so that can avoid thermal expansion in order to improve durability of the aircraft. Plastics such as polyamide imide are high resistance to chemicals corrosion can withstand to high amount of radiation for certain temperature and also not flammable. Plastics make the aircraft survive to the exposure of fire, radiation and hydrolysis as well as improve safety precaution for the staff, pilot and also the passengers. So the third one is plastics are environmentally friend in aeronautic industry. Plastics make the aircraft more sustainable with renewable energy. Plastic improves the fuel efficiency of aircraft because plastics are long lasting and recyclable. Thus, less harm caused to environment due to less usage of fuel and other materials instead of plastics. So, as conclusion, aircraft plastics are lower weight than the metals and rubbers are used in past. Plastic utilization makes the aircraft resistant to corrosion and other adverse conditions. Aeroplanes are becoming a greener mode of transportation because of the usage of aerospace polymers. Thank you.